because the first time when I saw Messi, I was around 10 or 11 years of age. Right now, I'm 28.
Like amongst all these years of memories, like trauma and then celebration of the World Cup, it really feels good to have.
The day has finally arrived. GOAT Tour, the Kolkata edition. Lionel Messi has already arrived in the city, and you can see behind me the huge line, the long queue of fans. They are in hurry to enter the stadium and find the best seat inside the stadium because they can't wait to catch a glimpse of their favorite football star, Lionel Messi. We can see the excitement. I mean, the stadium for sure is going to be fully packed for the Lionel Messi event. Let me tell you the schedule a bit because the event will start with some cultural program, like there will be Onik Dhar musical performance, then there will be tango dance, and then Messi will enter the VIBK stadium at 11:30 a.m. For sure it's going to be a dream come true moment for all the fans because Kolkata always celebrated Messi's victory, Messi's triumph whenever Messi used to play, whether it's in midnight or in dawn. The Kolkata wakes up to watch his game. When he won the World Cup, the whole city celebrated whole night, and it's for sure it's going to be a dream come true moment for all the fans. We were talking to a few of the fans about their excitement, and we took their reaction. So let's check it out how excited they are for the GOAT Tour. So how excited are you guys?
We are very excited because the first time when I saw Messi, I was around 10 or 11 years of age. Right now, I'm 28. So I'm really excited. This is my first experience watching the GOAT live. So very excited.
Thank you. How excited are you?
So first time when we saw, like, he was just became captain coming to Kolkata first time, and now he's a World Cup winning captain.
You were there in the stadium that time.
I was very small. I was around in my school back then, and now that I have graduated. But yeah, like amongst all these years of memories, like trauma and then celebration of the World Cup, it really feels good to have him here. Thank you.
কতটা এক্সাইটেড মেসিকে দেখবার জন্য?
ভীষণ তুই বল কিছু প্রচুর লিওনেল মেসি ইজ দ্য
অনেক
গড
এক্সাইটেড 5 বছর দিয়ে আমি দেখছি ওকে ড্রিম কাম ট্রু মোমেন্ট ড্রিম কাম ট্রু which channel Red Sports oh nice now একবার জিজ্ঞেস করুন how excited are you finally you will catch a glimpse of Lionel Messi?
very excited seeing him for the first time. Have been a fan right from my childhood. Wanted to look at him, wanted to see him play, so this is the first time we'll be doing that. Very excited on that.
Your reaction?
Yeah, same. Like Messi has been like a crazy footballer. Is one of the best, and watching him live is a dream come true. So really excited to see him.
That's coming from a Ronaldo fan, Messi fan, Ronaldo fan. We had been fighting from our
Waiting for next year.
Towards Messi.
Yeah, next year maybe Ronaldo. Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
One.
I think last time when Messi came, I was in class 9. It was 9th standard. I couldn't make it, but this time I'm here. So the excitement level is really, really high. I'm going to see my idol for the first time.
Great.
I think the initiative was really planned well. There was a ticketing queue, but we got the ticket very fluently. There were no issues with that.
Yes, brother. Yes. Yes, brother. Yes.